There's a warning this evening about a new telephone scam which has emerged in Jamaica, and mobile phone users are expressing concern. It's reported that persons have received calls from a number appearing to be from Poland. However, the danger is when you answer. More in this report. 4861-423-6651, one of the telephone numbers that is creating havoc for Jamaicans and other persons across the world. Some even took to social media today, claiming they have seen missed calls from the number. One lady asked, "A new set of scammers maybe?" It turns out that the calls are said to be a type of scam known as wangiri, a Japanese word meaning one ring and cut. And the scam has apparently lived up to its name. When the victims call back the numbers, it eats off their phone credit or their phone bill is hiked. All of that money goes to the scammer. In responding to queries, Digicel Jamaica says it has been blocking some overseas numbers involved in the One Ring scam. Digicel also warned customers not to return the calls. If they do accept the calls, they should hang up quickly. Customers should not share personal information and should ignore instructions to enter a PIN.